touch your boat when I'm in my zone. I'm gone.
Okay, here's an update. So us doobie heads had this upside down. So we was all like, oh man, where's the holes at? So it took us so long to take this apart. We had to end up taking these screws out in order to remove this and then flipping this around. So now we got the holes. And now we are back in action. Yep. Oh shit!
I give up.
Damn! Okay. Another update. Us doobie heads. I had those holes right here onto this side, so it didn't match it with the rods in the back. So we have to take that out, turn it around, and now we're back in the game.
Strike two.
Strike two. She is knocked out. With the eyes open.
What?
Missed the hole. The cameras are all the way. Sorry about that, guys. My camera died, but nonetheless, the table is finished. Hang on. Let me get the light for y'all. Oh man, there she is. There she goes again. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. But yeah, you already know. You ready to see it? We are already utilizing the table. Okay, check this out. This is the whole reason why we got this table. Just move everything to the side real quick. I don't know what happened here. We probably messed up somehow, but it's not sitting flush. That's gonna really bother us. But we'll tackle that some other day. Okay, the whole reason why we got this particular table right here is because it has secret compartments. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So cool, right? So cool. Got some storage right there. You feel me? You can be like, yeah, you know, I can hide something in here and no. Just kidding, everybody know. But yeah, guys, I think this table is pretty good, pretty solid. Not that heavy. It's sturdy too. It's just this part right here I do not like. And as you can see in the video, we did have some, some problems. Oh shit!
I give up.
Some issues. Ah! But we solved them, except for that part. I can't stress that enough because I really don't like that part. Anyways, yeah, that's how it looks like. And yeah, pretty dope.
My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone. I'm gone. Your confidence, my support.